Hey there! We're thrilled to have you here for this OplaCRM tutorial. In the competitive world of business, knowledge is power. And when it comes to your competitors, OplaCRM empowers you to track competitor history, analyze their strengths and weaknesses, and develop targeted strategies. To access the competitor analysis feature in OplaCRM, start by clicking on the Other tab located in the taskbar. This will open a drop-down menu with various options including the Competitor tab. At first glance, you might think this looks like the health score in the contact management session, but it's actually something different. This circular chart resembles a health score but shows categories of competitors instead. You can also see how you compare to your competitors on the right side. Next up, let's jump into segmenting your competitors with the rivalry matrix. OplaCRM makes this a breeze by incorporating the popular Gartner Magic Quadrant report, giving you a clear picture of where your competitors fit in the market. Leaders excel in execution and market positioning. Challengers have a strong market presence but need more focus on market orientation. Visionaries have exciting future ideas but require help with implementation. Niche players concentrate on specialized segments. If you're curious more about a competitor, just give their avatar or name a click. This will bring up all the juicy details about them, including their competing records and deal values. While the rivalry table shows a holistic view of this competitor. With this, we can prioritize opportunities where you have a competitive advantage and identify areas where you need to improve to compete more effectively. We're almost there. Let's wrap things up by exploring how competitor analysis can give you a leg up in the market. By keeping an eye on your competitors' sales tactics, you can learn a lot about their messaging, pricing strategies, and sales channels. This insight can help you pinpoint ways to stand out and enhance your own approach. After you've done your analysis, it's time to craft targeted strategies to outsmart their tactics and play to your strengths. You might consider tweaking your pricing, polishing your sales pitch, or zeroing in on specific market segments. Are you excited to elevate your competitive analysis? Dive into OplaCRM's awesome features and begin making smart, data-driven decisions to propel your business ahead.